In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email on Outlook with Bluehost. We're going to connect your domain email to your Outlook inbox by creating an email forwarder in your Bluehost account. This is a quick way to read messages from your custom address inside Outlook without touching complicated server settings. Start by signing into your Bluehost account and heading to the My Account home. From the main dashboard, look for the Hosting area. Click Hosting to open the settings for your websites and services. Next, open cPanel. This is the control panel where Bluehost groups tools for email, domains, and more. Inside cPanel, find the email section and choose forwarders. Forwarders simply take mail sent to one address and pass it along to another. On the forwarders page, click Add Forwarder to create a new rule. You'll see a field labeled Address to Forward. Type the first part of the mailbox you want to route, like the name that appears before the @ symbol of your domain email. Right beside it, use the domain dropdown to pick the correct domain if you manage more than one. Taking a moment to choose the exact domain prevents messages from being sent to the wrong place. Below that, enter the destination, the Outlook email address where you want to receive messages. This should be the address you actively check in Outlook. Be sure to double-check spelling here. A single typo can prevent delivery. When everything looks right, click Add Forwarder to save. Bluehost will confirm that the forwarder was created. From now on, any new message sent to your domain email at the address you specified will arrive in your Outlook inbox automatically. Nothing changes about your Outlook sign-in. You're simply telling Bluehost to route incoming mail to that mailbox so you can read and reply from a familiar interface. Keep in mind, forwarders affect new mail only. Past messages and other mailboxes won't move over automatically. If you work with multiple brand addresses, you can repeat this process later for each one you want to point to Outlook. And if you ever need to adjust or remove the rule, return to cPanel's forwarders page to manage it. That's all there is to it. You've set up a clean, reliable path from your Bluehost domain email to Outlook using a forwarder, saving time and keeping everything in one place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.